All right, just like that, fast forward to the future. The shop has been finished for a couple months now, and I've been working out of it, and I've been loving it. There's a couple things I would have done differently, and I will show you guys and give you guys a tour. Just wanted to talk a little bit at the end of this video. But yeah, it's done, but it's not done. There's a couple things I need to button up and still need to work on. For example, the compressor, I want to get a reel mounted on the ceiling. Same goes for extension cords. I'd like to do that. And the cinematics that you guys did see or will see, it's not the cleanest. It definitely was super clean when we just wrapped this project up and moved everything back into here and finished this wall and everything. But like I said, this is a garage. We're working on cars constantly. It definitely got super dirty many times already. The shelf is all stacked with parts. There's shit laying around the floor and stuff. But I wanted to give you guys a realistic outro compared to the YouTube showroom garage floor. And by no means like this is like the craziest garage on YouTube, right? I honestly just documented this for myself because it came a long way and there's still a lot to go and it's not perfect. But I wanted to give you guys a more realistic ending of what it looks like because it's not going to be showroom quality 100% of the time. We're always working on shit, we're always breaking stuff, and it's always going to get dirty. And I mean, like, look at that shelf back there. Like, there is a bunch of shit on that shelf, and it wasn't like that when we just finished up painting the floor and doing the walls and everything, and then just bringing everything in. That just goes to show, like, when we're actually doing projects and stacking up boxes and, you know, the floor is dirty and everything. But I figured that would be an awesome outro just to show you guys what it typically looks like now. So this is the garage. I'll give you guys a little bit tour, and just wanted to say thank you guys for watching.